HobbyKidsTV.
Welcome to HobbyKidsTV. I'm Hobby Mom. This is the world's biggest Groot egg. This idea was created by Hobby Kids of HobbyKidsTV. Speaking of which, where are you, Hobby Kids?
Come on, guys.
There they are.
And make sure to watch till the end to see what's inside this Play-Doh Star Lord surprise egg. I am Groot.
Oh, and look at his cute little twiggy hair. I just love it.
What an awesome Groot egg. Now let's open it up and see what toys are inside.
What surprises are inside of Groot's big, huge tree trunk?
Let's open it up.
Ooh, Hobby Kids using a stick.
We got fruit on that egg.
It's Marvel's Guardian of the Galaxy Star Lord muscle costume. Hobby baby. Hobby baby. Ooh, what'd you get? A costume also?
Another
You know what that means.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, that'll be perfect for Hobby Frog.
Yeah.
Hey, we've got another helmet.
Helmet for the other Hobby Kid.
Me?
Yes, you. Whoa, there's 3 Star Lords. That's a lot. You guys look pretty spacey.
Stick him up, Star Lord.
He's got a little blaster. Oh,
I want to build that.
that is Lego something.
Can I build that? How is
It's
that?
Marvel superhero.
Can I build that Hobby Baby wants to pull up one.
Oh,
You want to
boy.
open it? What did we get?
It's a science fiction blind box.
Oh, let's open it.
Let's do it. Let's see if Hobby Baby is gonna run away with this.
Oh.
Can you even see Hobby Baby? At one of any of these awesome characters. I hope we get E.T. so we could phone home.
Yeah.
Hey, we got E.T.
Oh my God, that's so cool.
What are the chances
He's got a death grip on him. Aw, thanks for sharing, Hobby Baby. This will be a cool one to add to our collection. And look, he's got the little glowing finger. Hey! Hobby Dad, you're gonna get it. I'm gonna get you. Ah, I got you. I got you. Ah!
Whoa.
What are those?
Star Lord blasters.
Wow, Guardians of the Galaxy Star Lord Blaster.
Fires up to 25 feet. That's pretty far.
I wonder if it'll go to outer space. Me too. I want to stay in the Earth.
This set is from the makers of Nerf, and it includes 4 darts each. You guys ready to see an epic battle between the Hobby Kids? I mean, the Star Lords.
They gotta pull both of these back
Okay.
so they can shoot them. You push this button.
Okay. Oh, and those pop out. That's kind of cool. Are you gonna get Hobby Kid?
1, 2, 3, draw!
1 step, 2 step, and draw. Ah.
I got him first.
I need to aim it at Hobby Dad. Gotta get Hobby Dad.
I'm gonna aim it at Hobby Dad.
Hobby Dad is your victim. Get him, guys! Get him! He's doing a victory dance. Shake that booty, shake that booty.
Yeah. You got really close on that one. Hey. Hey, ow! They're all after me.
Yay!
It's Hobby Dad's turn.
I get a prize!
All right, Hobby Dad, you go get your prize.
Big is so big. It's a Rocket Raccoon! I knew.
Uh-oh, Rocket Raccoon has his giant blaster.
And he's gonna aim for some Hobby Kids.
I got Rocket Raccoon!
Let's get one, Hobby Mom.
All right, my turn. How cool. I got a blind box.
Awesome.
I love blind boxes. These are all the characters that you have a chance to get, and we love adding these to our toy collection.
Ooh, what did we get? It's the Punisher.
I have no idea who that is.
He's punishing.
Oh, he looks scary.
Yeah,
I'm a bobblehead,
he's an anti-hero.
and I'm a bad guy. Bad guys need to get flicked.
What else is in the Giant Groot egg? Ooh, it's another blind box.
Oh,
Hey, leave us a comment if you know who this is from Marvel Comics. Whoa, what is that? It's the Milano Starship. Cool. It even comes with an action figure Star Lord.
I want to give this one to all my hobby friends.
Is that awesome? Now let's open up the Giant Play-Doh Star Lord egg. Yay! Go ahead, Hobby Kids. Let's open it up. Ooh, we've got blind boxes. And Angry Bird Star Wars exploding candy.
I don't want to go, please. Is it gonna make us explode?
Let's find out. Put some on your tongue like this. Can you feel it?
Ah!
Is it exploding?
Yeah.
They're baby explosions. They're not gonna make it blow up.
No.
They're not gonna make you blow up, dude.
Oh.
Yeah, see? It's little baby explosions. Hobby Kid. Okay, fine. Hobby Dad will eat these because they're delicious.
They can make it explode?
No, they don't make you explode. It's just a name.
Yeah, they don't
Okay.
make me explode.
No. There you go. Now we're talking. That's how you eat Angry Birds not so exploding candy. That's what they should have called it. Oh, there you go. Go. Let's open up a science fiction vinyl. Let's see all the cool characters we can get. You get Han Solo, Mars Attacks, Spock, Tron, a lot of cool. Hey, the Hobby Baby's having a blast over there. Let's see which one we get. Here you go, Hobby Kid.
No, it doesn't. Hey, Han Solo? You mean the one in Star Wars?
I don't know of any other one. Is there like a Han Solo on Sesame Street or something? Sure. Oh wait, it's Yoda who's on Sesame Street. He does Grover. I knew there was a Star Wars character that's on Sesame Street.
Huh?
Ooh, we got RoboCop.
Hola.
He fights for justice. Cool. That smug look on his face. Thank you, 1980s.
Yeah, because I just watched the Robot movie.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, then I watched Astro. He's a cool robot.
Oh, who do you think would win, RoboCop or Astro Boy?
I think RoboCop.
Oh!
I think Astro Boy.
Yeah, I'm thinking Astro Boy would win myself. Let's open up a Vinylmation villain.
What about me?
Let's just open them all up, right? There's two of you, 2 boxes. Do you like my song? Ooh! What's his name again, guys? Bad guy on Monsters Inc. Water Deuce!
Water Dude.
Is it Water Deuce?
Water news.
Water Noose, like the noose on a rope, which makes him sound like a villain. Water Noose. Hobby Mom thinks it's Water Noose.
Yeah.
That's my vote.
Well, we're gonna find out in the comments. You got Spock! Oh man! Dun 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 dun. That was the episode. That was the weapon that Spock used to fight Kirk. It kind of looks like he's baking a pizza with this device, but it's actually a weapon. So cool.
Here's a fun fact. Did you know that HobbyKidsTV donates a portion of these toys? We also give some to our hobby friends and reviewers, and we add some to our collection. Which toy would you love to add to your collection? We love to share the fun.